So today I'm gonna plant some dianthus and columbine. I got a pink one today, and then a red and white one, and this blue white one. Need to soak this hibiscus and move it because it's suffering here. But it's still good. It still has some blooms coming in, some still alive. I just need to deadhead it probably and remove it into the shade. First time planting hydrangeas, so wasn't really sure. It said it could take full sun to part shade, but I guess this is too much sun. My dahlias, I took the tubings from my last year's dahlias and recut them, and they're growing. Need to move this sweet pea and this gardenia into the sun. So I have some mint here. I think I planted this last year. I also have some in the corner over here. Some aloe vera. So I'm gonna give you a quick garden tour. It's a mess, and I need to mulch some areas and trying to green up the grass again. I already put some ironite on it, but we'll see if that works. I'm gonna start here. I planted this year. It's a peacock flower diatus bicolor. The wind's been pushing it, so it's kind of going sideways. But I want to put some flowers around it. Here are some annuals. I can't remember what these were called. Ranunculus, and now they're all gone. They were yellow, and now they're all gone. I'll probably put a picture here, show you what it was, how it did look. I got 4 candy tuft around this climbing rose. It's a climbing new dawn. Also planted all this year. Got some dianthus right here. Bird bath, bird feeder that needs to be refilled. A bunch of dianthus around this cherry plum tree. I planted these when we first moved in, maybe 2-3 years now, and they're thriving here. Don't know what these are called. My mom planted these, and then I just moved it over here. I got 5 lavenders here. French lavender, I have 2 here also that I planted last year. Planted an avocado tree that died. Also an orange tree. I think crepe myrtle tree, and then my mom planted these, not sure what those are called. And then more of those. I got an apple tree there and a pomegranate tree. A bunch of weeds that I gotta clean up. Pomegranate tree here that I propped up because the wind was blowing it sideways as well, and it needed to be straight up instead of sideways. My mom planted some hibiscus. Those are growing. I put a petite butterfly sweet pea here, one here. You can see the buds. I'm gonna move these though. I want to move these because I want them in more sun. Same with this gardenia. And then this, what is this called? That is a columbine. Planted it this year. This gardenia that I need to move into the sun. More dianthus in a hot pink color. Another one here. And then some more around here. I think those are called bird of paradise. And then fresh freesia. My mom planted those this year also. Some bell peppers by seed. I had planted some dahlias last year and they were thriving, and then I took out the roots and separated them and made 2 plants out of them. So I'm gonna give one to my mom. this hydrangea that's suffering and I need to remove, but it's still good because there's a lot of growth on there. Watering right now. Here's that other French lavender. This is an angel rose face. Looks like this. Pretty. And then this one is John F. Kennedy rose. And this one I got from the clearance. It was on clearance and it had no leaves at all. And I bought it for half the price. And now it's thriving right here. It's a sweet mademoiselle. I don't know. But all these plants I planted this year, except for the grass and then those two lavenders back there. And then also the dahlias that I just repotted to regrow them again. But everything else is this year. And then those were 2-3 years ago. Oh, and we put this arbor here for the climbing rose to go over. I also did this walkway last year, then the grass as well. Yeah. I also have 3 of these. Another one there, another one here. I'm not sure what they're called. My mom gave them to me and I just planted them here. I also had I had 2 white lantanas that I thought were perennial, but I guess they're annual. But they were also thriving last year too. Lots of cherry plums. Sorry, the neighbor's dog is barking. But let me see if I can focus on here. There you go. Bunch of cherry plums. All in this tree. This is what it looks like later in the day when the sun is shining on it. So I went to Walmart and bought some more dianthus, and they're a little dead. I don't know why they say annual, but these are the ones I planted and they grow back every year. And they're doing great. But these are a little dead. So I gotta deadhead them and plant them, and there's some blooms and stuff, so good enough, I guess. All planted now. I just need to water them. There's 6 around here. I'm also putting some plant tone on all the plants as I go by. So far I've done it this area, but now I gotta do the rest. Hopefully the hydrangea likes this spot a little bit better because this area does get afternoon shade and morning sunlight, so it will still get the sunlight it needs, but also the shade. And there's a lot of, sorry, I'm heavy breathing right now, but there's a lot of buds and stuff growing, so it's still alive. It just needs to be planted somewhere heavier. Okay, I added some more mulch just to refresh it, and I gave everything fertilizer here. taking that hydrangea from right there. So now I gotta put the gardenia there because that gets full sun. And move the sweet pea and plant the other plants over there. That's all for today's video. Planted some new plants, rearranged some plants, mulch, fertilized, watered. Now I just gotta clean up. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.